Good morning, guys. It's Saving with Shay. Listen, I'm not feeling very motivated today at all. Like, I have literally 4 things on my list, and that is it. And 3 of them are from the oral care aisle, and literally there's nobody here. Only cars in the parking lot is the employees, the 2 employees that are here. That's it. No other coupons. And so that tells me that this must be a really slow week. So I'm not even sure if I'll post this video, to be dead honest with y'all. I'm not even sure. I do have 3-4 deals to share with y'all, hopefully. These are the only deals that I'm doing. I feel like lately I've been just trying to be on this whole what's free is for me kick. So if it's free moneymaker, it's for me. I don't really feel like paying for anything right now. So I'm really my last haul was free. This haul is going to be free. I really just want to go in and get what's free. That's it. Is that so bad? But if you're new here, I'm Shay. Subscribe. Make sure you smash the like button. Support your girl. And it's 8:09, y'all. It's early. I don't know why I felt like sleeping in, but I said, no, Chanel, go get your free toothpaste. You know you want it. Because hell, you know you don't need it. But anyway, so let's head in the store and see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. So if you want to see what I got, keep on watching.
Alright guys, so the first deal I'm going to be grabbing is on the little critters, the gummy bites. It's funny because whenever I've tried to do this deal, I always look in the regular section, and it's literally with the kids section. And so it's priced at $8.79. It's buy one get one 50% off. It's also buy 2 get back 10. So the first one is going to be $8.79. The second one's going to be, I think, $4.40, I want to say. That's going to bring the total to $13.19 out of pocket. But then you'll get back the $10 in extra care bucks. And then you'll also be getting back $2.50 for each one on Ibotta, which is $5. I'm making both of them free, plus $1.81 money maker. So this next deal is on the Crest. It's on sale for $2.99, and it's also buy 3 get back 5. So I'm gonna grab 3 of them. The total is gonna come to $11.97. Now we do have a 5 off of 3 digital that should be glitching with a 2 off of 2 digital. That'll bring the total down to you paying $4.97 out of pocket and then getting back the 5, making that a 3-cent money maker. Is on the Burt's Bees. It is buy 2 get back 5, and it does work on the kids. So we're gonna grab one of the kids at $4.49. I really wanted to grab 2 kids, but they only have 1, so I'm gonna grab one of the kids at $4.49. and then one of the adults at $6.99. Now the total for both is going to come to $11.48. And then for digitals, we do have a 5 off of 3 digital right there that will work with this, and that'll bring your total down to you paying $6.48 for both of them. But then you're going to get $5 in extra care bucks, bringing it down to $1.48 for both of them, are only like 75 cents each, which is definitely not bad. A 4 off of 20 CRT. I wasn't sure it would work with this, but when I scanned the Burt's Bees, it did pop up too. So the total for all 5 products is going to be $23.45, and then we're going to be using a 4 off of 20 CRT. We have a 5 off of 2 on the Burt's Bees. We have a 5 off of 3 and a 2 off of 2 on the Crest. So we should pay $7.45 out of pocket. We'll get back $10 in extra care bucks, making all 5 products free, plus a $2.55 money. It was on the BoomBoom nasal stick. Now you have to get the lavender one, which my store doesn't look like they carry. It's an aisles offer for CVS, and you purchase it. I got this on Instagram. And so you click I'll have a link for you. Click the link, you send your number, it'll send you a link, and then you purchase it, and then you take a picture of your receipt, and it goes to either PayPal or Venmo. And so hopefully I will find that particular scent. And so yeah. Alright, so this transaction worked out pretty good. There goes the Crest at the very top, there goes the little critters, the Burt's Bees, all of my digitals came off. There goes a 4 off 20 CRT. And then I rolled a total of 18 extra care bucks. So the total was $3.19. And then we got back the 5 for the birds, bees, 10 for the little critters, and then 5 for the crest. So we paid $21.51 out of pocket, getting back 25 and extra, well, getting back 20 extra care bucks, and then we get back 5 on Ibotta, making this little transaction at $3.49 moneymaker. And so yeah, so definitely not bad. Another deal that you could grab is on the crest scope squeeze, which is on sale for $4.99. It's buy 2 get back 3. So for this, the total for 2 is $9.98, and then we have a 5 off of 2 digital right there, which will then bring the total down to you paying $4.98 out of pocket, and you'll get back 3. It makes them 99 cents each, which is not bad. Now we're gonna stack a 6 off 25 CRT, which is right there, with these 3 deals. So the total for all these items before coupons is $34.23. Using a 6 off 25 CRT, we have a 5 off 2 on the birds, bees. We have 5 off of 3 on the crest, 2 off 2 on the crest, and then we have a 5 off of 2 on the scope. This will bring our total down to paying $11.23 out of pocket, but we're going to be getting back 5 for the birds, bees, 5 for the crest, and 3 for the scope. Now, these did work for me on Ibotta, so you'll be getting back $1 for each of them as well. So it'll basically make all of these items free plus a $4.77 money. Alright guys, so here is this transaction right here. Now, I thought it was, you know what, it didn't come off. And I told her that the 6 off 25 didn't come off. And she said that it popped up and it didn't. So I'm about to go back up there and see if they can maybe force me a $6 extra care buck, because I hate calling customer service. But as far as that, everything else worked out. I should have paid a subtotal of like 11, and I paid 17, so I paid the $6 more. So I'm gonna go up there and see what she can do. But everything else as far as digitals came off, and then we got back the 3, the 5, and the 5. And then I'm also gonna submit on Ibotta for the crest when it resets for me tomorrow, so I'll get back another $3 there. And so yeah. Alright guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Super tiny, and I probably will go back later this week. I'm not really sure yet. I just kind of just want to do just these deals. Pretty much just want to just focus on deals that are making me money. And so I did the crest twice, first beast twice, and then we did little critters and scope once. Now I did, the cashier really wasn't trying to force print me no extra care buck for the 6 off 25 not coming off. But the manager came over and she was so awesome. I'm telling y'all, it pays. It pays when you cool with your managers. Because even if the little petty little ass cashiers ain't trying to help you, they will come through for you. And so she was able to force print me the $6, which is cool because y'all, I hate calling customer service. Like, there's never a resolution. And so if I can not call them or have to call them, I deal with what I can in the store. Other than that, that was the only like little hiccup today, but everything else worked out really good. All digital, didn't have not one single paper coupon. And I did get back $1 for each of the crest when I bought it, which I was not expecting that. But this one normally glitches for us on Ibotta. So whenever I have a crest offer, I'll go ahead and activate it and kind of see what happens. And so I got back the extra 3 on that, which is awesome. So I'm hoping that it'll reset for me tomorrow, and then I can submit the other receipt, because that'll make it a really, really awesome deal. Even without that, it's still free, right? And so everything you see here retails $70.87. I had $39 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $31.87. And I walk away with $33 in extra care bucks, and then another 8 from Ibotta, plus we'll get back to 3 tomorrow. Brings that to a total of $44 back in between the two, making this all a $12.13 moneymaker. And our tax was $4.96, so even after tax, we still make a little over $7, which is so awesome. Other than that, you guys, again, I'll probably go back later this week for some other deals, but really, I just wanted to get what's making me money. Other than that, I hope you guys are having an awesome holiday weekend, and I will see you in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.